My warm greetings to everyone. Myself, M. Murlidharan from Mayanadar Janagiammal College, and my friends Tamilarasan and Parthiban are here. We are going to discuss a topic on infinite shades of light. Yes, let's move on to topic.
What is light? The term light sometimes refers to the electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether it is visible or not. Next, in this sense, gamma rays, microwaves, X-rays are also a light. Like all types of EM radiations, that is electromagnetic radiation, visible light propagates as a waves. Next, properties of light. Major properties of light are direction, frequency, wavelength, and intensity. Next, the speed of light in vacuum, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It's a fundamental constant of nature. Next, intensity of light is defined as the amount of light produced by a specific source. Next, intensity is related to a brightness. More brightness means more intensity of light. Next, the more photons emitted per unit time, greater the intensity of light. Next, propagation of light refers to the manner in which an electromagnetic wave transfers its energy from one point to another. When the light hits the obstacles, the direction of light will be changed. It will depend upon the three main processes: transmission, reflection, and refraction. Next, further will be proceeded by Muralidharan.
Yes. What is visible region of light? Visible region of light is a portion of an electromagnetic spectrum which is visible to a human eye. A human eye, typical human eye, can respond to the frequency that actually of the visible light, which is 400 to 700 nanometers in wavelength, and its frequency is about 430 to 770 tetrahertz. Electromagnetic spectrum, which covers the electromagnetic waves ranging from below 1 Hz to 10 power 25 Hz, which is corresponding to thousands of kilometers. Other than the visible region, there are several ranges in the light, like radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays and radio waves, etc. Yes, we all know that the electromagnetic spectrum, which is gradually the wavelength increases and it decreases at constantly, which is inversely proportional to the frequency. And here, the very low energy is there. Yes, because the wavelength and frequency is inversely proportional to each other. In between the low wavelength and the high wavelength, there is the visible light region, which is only visible to our human eye.
Next is shares of light. Shares of light is defined as shares formed by the scattering of light. Scattering of light is defined as atoms or molecules, which light rays will fall on the atoms or molecules and get scattered. In this scattering, the light rays have different intensities in different directions and it forms many shades. Okay, here we see the image. Here is an object which is the light will scatter on the object and it gives a shade and the light gets scattered. Next is infinite shades of light. Infinite shades of light is the concept is defined on the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is defined as the light gets scattered on the colloidal particles in the liquid or gas medium. During the scattering process, the lights get scattered on the colloidal particles and it gives infinite shades of light. Here we see an image. Here light will comes through the window. Here light gets scattered by the colloidal particles and gives an infinite shades. Here we see that infinite shades there. And in next slide we see that sun rays are blocked by the clouds. Here by the blocking of the clouds there will be an infinite shades of light. So here we see that the light from the source will come out from that. Here the light gets scattered on the colloidal particles and you see that there are infinite shades of light.
Thank you, everyone.